Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss exercise 11.3 question number 5. Give expressions in the following cases. Number A. 11 added to 2m. Right. We are writing the expression here. That is question number A. A is 11 added to 2m. That is 2m plus 11. Right. This is for A. Now question number B is 11 subtracted from 2m, that is 2m minus 11. Now question number C is 5 times y to which 3 is added. 5 times y, 5 times y to which 3 is added plus 3, right? Now question number D. Question number D is 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted. 5 times y, that is 5y. 5 times y, that is 5y, from which 3 is subtracted, minus 3. Now question number E. Question number E is y is multiplied by minus 8, that is minus 8y. Next F is question number F. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 added to the result. Y is multiplied with minus 8, that is minus 8y plus 5, and 5 is added to the result. G. G is y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. From 16, that is 16 minus 5y. Right? Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. H is y is multiplied by minus 5 and the result is added to 16. That is y is multiplied with minus 5, that is minus 5y, minus 5y, and the result is added to 16 plus 16. This is the expression of question number 5. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.